Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best Car OBD2 Scanner. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Topden. Model number, Phoenix Lite 2. The Phoenix Lite 2 features a larger battery capacity to save you from repeatedly charging the Lite 2 throughout the day. The 12,600 mAh battery has up to 24 hours of battery life with the screen on. The customer can see more details in the interface with its 8-inch high-resolution LCD screen enables the screen to be clearly visible. The Avoidance function lets the Phoenix Lite 2 gather important vehicle information including the vehicle make, model, and year of manufacture. Verify diagnosis and pinpoint repairs needed with powerful active actuator tests, locating problem areas including fuel injector, coolant fans, coolant pump, windshield wipers, EGR valve, sunroof, windows and more. The Phoenix Lite 2 scan tool supports online or ECU coding for vehicles compatible with VW, Seat, Skoda, Porsche, Benz, BMW and more, which can help to match and code after ECU replacement. Including Lite module, ABS module and can also unlock hidden functions such as movement pointer and horn alerts when locking or unlocking the car. The Phoenix Lite 2 runs a smoother and faster operation with its upgraded 4-core 2.0 GHz, 2 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM. Android 10.0 offers even faster interaction with the system. Number 4. Brand name, Launch. Model number, X431 CRP129E. Launch CRP919X automotive scanner can access all available systems to perform O-level all systems diagnostics on engine, AT, ABS, SRS, TPMS, BCM, network, steering, EPB, chassis etc. This car diagnostic scan tool roots out the hidden problems under the hood and saves diagnostic time and reduces the diagnostic fee. The complete systems vary from different cars. Launch CRP129E will automatically generate a diagnostic report after diagnostic work. The report includes car VIN, brand or model, year, device information, and well-explained inspection result. 4 live data streams can be merged in one graph for easy and intuitive car diagnosis. Launch CRP129E OBD2 Scanner also displays the dynamic live data in numbers and lists and wave patterns. Multiple modes will help you to easily monitor how a vehicle is performing in real time. The live data can be recorded and played back in text format or graph format. The diagnostic tool can help detect the engine ignition, fuel injection, air and fuel ratio, and exhaust emission conditions in engine system to enhance vehicle performance, save energy and reduce exhaust emission. Number 3. Brand name, Xtool. Model number, D7. Based on the Android 10 operating system, D7 features bidirectional control capability, O-level all systems diagnostics, comprehensive service resets and extensive vehicle coverage of 85+ car brands. Equipped with a robust quad-core processor, 32 GB memory, a 7-inch 1024x600 resolution touchscreen, a 4000 mAh built-in battery, microphone, dual speakers and an intuitive interface, D7 offers maximum efficiency for auto repair and maintenance, This bidirectional control scanner is a must-have tool for every auto technicians and mechanics at a budget and definitely should be included in your home tool arsenal. Number 2. Brand name, Foxwell. Model number, NT1009. 10.1-inch touchscreen, 8000 mAh battery capacity, easy to interpret data and long battery life. Android 9.0 operating system and Bluetooth 5.0 can run quickly and be easier to operate and share diagnostic reports. 2 GB RAM plus 64 GB ROM memory and an 8-megapixel camera and endoscope allow you to diagnose the vehicle in all directions. NT1009 automotive scanner is designed for mechanics, workshops, garages and car owners. Comes with commonly used service functions like oil reset, ABS bleeding, throttle relearn, injector coating, TPMS reset, BMS, power balance etc. Foxwell NT1009 professional car scanner can play a higher value on your hands, identifies cars quickly and easily with automatic VIN reading. One-click scan all systems in just seconds to detect the faults. View vehicle live data by a 4-in-1 merged graph for easy and intuitive diagnosis. One-click generates a PDF or screenshot to save diagnostic data. Recording the diagnostic troubles and play back them for further check or compare is a convenient way to repair the car faults. No need to diagnose the vehicle once again. Also can show these data to the repair shop workers when you cannot solve these problems by yourself. Number 1. Brand name, Foxwell. Model number, NT604 Elite. The NT604 Elite diagnostic tool comes with latest software, which can be used out of box. No need to waste time to download the software first. The scanner has a medium-size LCD screen that gives a clear view even under sunlight. It comes with a 16 GB micro SD card to save more information and put it on your PC. The high-speed card enables speeds of up to USB 2.0 when transferring files to your PC. The tool will help you save time and reduce the number of visits to the repair shop the way it does for most people. NT604 Elite Car Scanner allows you to get your VIN and vehicle info rapidly, no need to take time to find your VIN and input one by one. The Foxwell NT604 is a multifunctional scan tool. With this Foxwell NT604 Elite Car Diagnostic Tool, you will easily find what's wrong with your car to avoid expensive trip to dealership.